Check. Welcome in to Music City Trader. We are on our first trade of the day. Day number 22, 105 is the trade. Went way up there. Touched that little thing. I was wondering. Went way up there. Finally got that motion on that 10-minute. That's really where I want it to be, right there. See how it touched that top? Every time it's touched this top, it has retracted. So let's see if it's going to do it this time. I got a really good position. I was pretty patient on that position. 92%. Yep, I'm in the pocket. Sometimes I've been, look, it's pushing down hard. 1 minute. It went up a little higher. That worries me a little bit about this one. It went up a little higher than it did last time, but still look at this 10-minute level here. And it's starting to go down. 48 seconds. I knew I was thinking about taking a little bit shorter of a trade. And you never really know. That's what binary options is. It's a question mark. Looks like it's definitely got up pressure. Let's look at this in 10 seconds, see if we can make ourselves nervous. Yeah, I mean, it's got up pressure. 3 candles. I mean, it could go either way at this point. Even if it does pop up here in 10 seconds, hopefully it would shoot back down. Hopefully it'll hold itself. Have our first trade of the day. Who knows if this wins? If this wins, who knows if I really want to stay into another trade. Probably do. Okay, it looks like it's going to hold down 4, 3. There you go. It's down at the bottom. There you go. First trade of the day is a win. Let's do a little happy dance. That was very, very quick because all right, so I don't know if I want to take another one off this. It's playing on the high side. Yeah, it's playing on the high side. Like if it touches that top line again, it's kind of been rising off this every time. Do I believe that is going to be the final chapter? I don't know. Yeah, see, it's right. It's playing low. It's playing low. Let's see what it looks like in 30 minutes. I don't know. I could have taken another trade off there, but it looks like it could be going up. Yeah, in 30 minutes, it looks pretty good. It's kind of stuck up there and it got up here last time and it turned around. 10 minutes, it looks like it's just playing. It's just playing. Yeah. Not really sure on the bottom side if it's really going to play down. If I were into this for like a 10-minute trade, I'd be more willing to take that big trade because it's popped up here and it's been pushing off that top each time. Popped there, went down, popped there, went down. So in terms of the 10-minute pattern, it does look like it'll have multiple red candles now. But in terms of my 30-minute trades, why did I put that at 3 minutes? I don't want that at 3. Looks like it's finally going down, but played pretty hard off that. Played pretty hard off there. I'm not sure if I would do it or not. Let's see here. All right, there we go. I don't know why it's got this Christmas background. That's stupid Christmas background. Let's put this up there. That way, in case I go to like a screen like this, I do not want a Christmas tree. I don't want a Christmas tree. I want more like that to look for. All right, so we'll go like this. We'll make it like this. There, guys. I don't know. Remember, I am trying to look in the 10-minute, find spots, mark them. I didn't even mark this. I literally opened this chart. Saw that it was in that zone right there, saw that top, and thought, yeah, this is a good one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this again like here. If this goes back up there by any chance, I think I'll take my assumption this way. I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to go look for something else. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. This one might be. Yeah. It's got a bottom here. It's got a bottom here. It's got a bottom there, bottom there. Wow. This one's got a lot of bottoms. It doesn't really have a lot of. Yeah. I'm going to look for something that's sort of stuck where it needs to be. Like that one, you know, this one is broke above that level. It's bounced off there, broke above that level, bounced off there. Yeah, that one kind of already happened. I have to be very careful about this one because it kind of already broke that level. If you noticed, it broke those two tops. Boom. Broke that top. Boom. And it went all the way up to that. It went all the way up to that level. I don't really know where it's going. This one's got some pretty serious levels. So if we put this up here, we call this a very strong level. I mean, that's up there. That's up where it's been there twice. Okay. Yeah. It kind of went up there already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it. I'm going to mark it and wait, just because that one is interesting. It's already kind of been up there, but it could jump back up there, you know. And that is a really strong level. Okay, really strong. I'm going to mark this level right here. So if it actually goes up there, this one's really strong. So I'm going to duplicate this chain here, and I'm going to put a double. I'm going to put a double line. So that's actually a double line. It hit this line. If it hits that, I'm going for it, even if it is 89%. This one's still going down. If I look at this one in 30 minutes, I might get a better picture of this. It looks like it's going back up. Look at that in 30 minutes. Yeah. It has gone above it a couple times, but it has gone above it. Let's put this at 2 minutes. Even at 5, even if this pops up here, I'm going to be careful because it almost hit my line, didn't it? Let's see, it's playing. It's playing up here. Let's see if it can go. This one's the same way. If it gets back up to that line, I'm going to pretend that it's going to obey. Let's look for another 10-minute line. So it's kind of all over the place. I don't know. There's a lot of jagged levels here. Interesting enough, there are a lot of jagged levels. I don't know. Like, that's really weird. Yeah, this one right here is a 10-minute level. Let's see what it looks like. It's a pretty strong level. Yeah, it bounced off there a couple times. Let's see if it's already been there. Oh yeah, look at that. That was a very strong level. It broke through quite a ways, you know. It broke through. Yeah, it's playing with that level. It obeyed that level a little bit in the past, but not much. Yeah, it obeyed that level back there. That's before it did this big, huge thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this down here, turn it into a 5. And we're going to say that in that zone, that zone might be a bouncer, and I'm going to put it up there as a pretty stable line. And then I'm going to put this right there. I'm going to move it over so we know we're watching that. That could take a while to get down there, though. I mean, look how far that is down. I mean, that's pretty far. Still, I've got time. I don't think it's going to go that far down right now, but you know, we can always hope. This one's Still holding off the top. Still holding off the top on there. Not doing much what I thought it was going to do. I'll move these over. So very, very strong level. And it hasn't gotten back up there. Is it climbing up to there? Maybe. But that's only what we can watch. We can watch that and see if it goes up there. I don't know if it is or not. Yeah, this one right here, kind of already bounced off that level, right? If it goes back up there, maybe it'll do it again. Is it a 30-second touch down here? Oh, look at that. It did hit a 30-second touch and it bounced off there. But we're playing on the reverse now. This looks like it is sort of a reverse. Wow, look at that. That's that trade we won way up here. Probably knew that was going to reverse and go down. I probably knew that, I probably knew it. And now we're going to set another level down here. This is definitely maybe a little more. I'm trying to be patient today. If it gets down to here, then we've got, price level reach core. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it's reached up to the price level there. Let's see if it's going to push higher. It's kind of got a breakthrough. I want to see it reach up there though. You know what I mean? Kind of reached up. It's probably broke through the RSIs. Oh, no, the RSI is about to touch. Okay. But I really want it to touch. It's a strong level. It's up where it was before. There we go. That was good. It's a little bit low, but man, that was good pressure. It's a breakthrough on the 1 minute. RSI touch. Let's see if it fights down. It's been up here. I do think it's going to turn around up here. That line is hard right there, right? I didn't want to wait until it went above there. Yeah, it's playing on that line. It's playing on that line. 10 minute. I'll take that longer trade down. Let's see if it can win. It's a 2 minute, and it might do it. It's playing. It's playing there. It's got 30 seconds. Look at that. Look at that under. Look at that consolidation it put up there. There. Oh yeah, baby. Hold on to that. Hold on to that, baby. We got 15 seconds. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Yeah, baby. Hold on to that low thing. Hold on. There we go. It's got low pressure. Come on. Hold on. Hold that thing. 3, 2. No. Ah, crap. That was. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Barely lost. Yeah, I'm going to play off that line. I think it's going to consolidate and go back down. So this is 105. This is 105. This is the same position. That was a 5 minute, and this is a 3 minute. Let's see. I think it's going to go. I think it's going to go because it stopped up here. This is the original. This is the original line that I think it's going to go off of. So I've won one and lost one. I guess I'm back at the beginning. And then I'm on to 2 right here at this top. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice drop. Yeah, see, this is very nice off this. So 10-minute, a 10-minute candle is pushing up. And you can get burned. So I'm not going to take any more trades on this one, just in case it burns up here. The last time it got right up there. That's the highest it's actually been in the 10-minute. Let's see. And it's got there. It's I'm just looking at the 10-minute, like 1 minute here. That is the highest it's been. So this bottom one's a little bit shorter. 30-minute. It reached high. The highest it's been in a while. Not that it hasn't gone up here any higher, but I think it could win. I think it could totally win. If so, I'll have 2 wins almost, not minus my 2 losses. I took a little bit longer trade on this, and I think it'll pay off in the end, really. It's getting lower and lower each time. So it's getting lower and lower each time. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's getting lower and lower. We're going to watch it happen. I'm going to send Todd a screenshot. I like to send Todd screenshots, even though he doesn't trade with me anymore. I'm going to see if I can put, yeah, let's see here. Entire screen. Let's see. Okay. We do look like this will win. I'll send him a better screenshot because it's getting lower. Oh man, 75%, 90 and 86. So these are a little bit lower trades. But I'll send him screenshots of this here. Let's see. It's got, okay, so the bottom one's going to win. It's wicking off on the 10-minute. I think this will be it for me today because I'm going to win these 2 trades, and that'll put me in quite a bit of profit. Now, if you looked at this chart like this, you could think that that was going to go up. And it might, from this bottom here. But the overall draw of this chart is really down. That's really high. So I think this is going to go down. I think it's finally going to break because it touched its very top level. And if you look at the last time it touched this top level, if we can get over there, in the 30 seconds, it's kind of hard to see. Let's watch this win, though. It's going to be a big win off that top level. So I got 2 wins off there. I got a win and a loss to start with. Then I got that win. Then I got that win. We're going to go and do the math. 4,016. Let's see. Being patient, but also believing in myself. I believed in myself, people. I believe in my YouTube channel, but I don't get a lot of views. I get a couple people a day. Just hasn't really picked up yet. I don't know. Maybe when I start making $1,000 a day, people will get real serious. So really up $176. That's up 2.11%. So that's good. Actually, if I go over here, give my day tracking record to zoom out a little bit and show you guys the whole tracking. It's been interesting. I had some really bad hangups here. I'm going to say pretty easy day. I had a win and a loss, and then I had a win and win on the same turn. So I didn't hit my stop loss. I won. I bought 2.11%. I got 176 up. So I'm up 33%, up $2,300. And, that's the way it's going to be, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out. I'm actually going to work on the chart a little bit because what I'm going to do starting today is I'm going to put in some more money into the plan. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some cash because I've got some savings that I need to put in, like in my company. I've got some tax savings that I want to do and just some basic little bit of savings. And I thought, well, instead of just putting it in the savings account, why not put it in my trading balance? And that will raise my trading stakes each day while I'm saving taxes. And at the end of the year or the end of tax season, I'll have money in there. This year, if I hit 50 grand or if I hit 100 grand, then, I'll be really good. So I'm going to call this, for now, I'm going to call it tax savings. Okay. And I'm going to put it right here. Tax. And so today I'm going to put in $1,000, I think, but just for the month of January. Okay. And then I'm going to put in about 200 a week, 250 a week. So I'm going to add 1,000 to this. So basically full starting assets are going to be, I'm going to have to add this. So it'll be add 6, add K3 plus K6. Okay. Okay. So full assets now will be, what is this? K9 plus K3 plus K5. Yeah, so full assets equals plus K6. So that's going to be that. All right. I have cash offset. I have my pocket option account is at 4016 right now. My Bitcoin's at 1,300. And that's what's in Bitcoin and in my Forex. I have a little bit in Forex. So that's what I'm going to put there. And then tax savings, I'm going to add this tax savings here. So full account growth will be O10 minus O9 minus, okay, so I'm going to minus my tax savings out of there. Okay. Let's see. Total growth assets. Actually, I can probably just take what's this K8 minus K6. So I don't really want that number in there. And then that one, I can take that one out there, and I can take. I'm going to explain this in a minute, guys. This sounds weird. Total growth assets. I started out with 6,000. Now I'm at 8519. K3, K4. I don't know what this means. K3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. K3, K4, K5. Okay, so that's full assets. And then this one's K9, K3, 5. Okay. Okay, full starting assets, 95. Full assets now, 95. And then over here, so I have 9,500. Over here, total growth assets is 8,500 minus tax savings. It's just I'm taking the tax savings out. So basically, I'm going to be trading with the tax savings in the account, but I'm not going to use that to my total percent growth will be calculated on what I've just won in pocket option. So basically, I have 8519 right now. And I started with 6. So I've grown 2519. It should be up here like this. Yeah, 2519. I'm not sure why it has it like this. This number seems off. Okay. Maybe it's because I'm not sure. I'm not sure why this number is off. 33%. Because it's saying I have 41%. 40. Okay. I'm not sure. I'll have to reconcile the math on that because it's a little bit off. In other words, I started with 6, now I have 85. Okay. So it's saying I have 2519. Here it's saying I only have 2382. So I'm not sure what that is. It's something off with my math up here. So I'm gonna have to make an offset. I'll do it at the end of the month. I'm not too worried about it. This is 33%. It says I've made 2382, but technically I have 4016 in there, okay, and I have 4016 here. I took the tax savings out. $1387. I mean, it's just off by a little bit. It's off by a couple. It's off by like $200. So all I have to do is 2519. Here's how I fix it. 2519 minus 2382. 137. So I'm just going to put 137 in here. This will be and it's interesting because this is it's saying 3384 minus, what is this? Minus 41.98. 814. So negative 814. Negative 814. So I have to add 814. So 3384 plus 33.84 is minus, what is it? 8.14. So I'm off by 8.14% on this. Let's see here. I'm going to make this work by adding one more. Insert a shift cells down. Yeah. Okay, so this is just an offset. I'm just going to make that an offset, and I'm going to color it a certain way. I'll color it. I'll color it yellow. That's just an offset. It's basically, for some reason, I don't have the numbers don't match up here. I've been making this daily thing. I'll have to go through my book and see, but they're not matching up. I've misplaced 8% in this daily thing somewhere. It's not a big deal because basically this is the real number. This right here, 41% growth. So I've made 2519. I started with 6,000 and now I'm up. And it might have been that I started with 6,200. I might have started with 6,200. So I'm not gonna worry about it because I started with about 6,000. And then I went over here to this tracking page and I've been just writing down every day, like my actual wins and losses. It says that I should be, about at $9,000. And what am I at? I'm at about 8,500. So I'm a little behind. So this chart tells me that at 2% a day, after this many days, I should be at 9,000. Trading with 5%, really, I should be trading with 4%. I am trading with 5%. Okay. So let's put this down here. I should be trading with 5%. Yeah. So basically 22, I should be trading with 113. Yeah, it's a little bit off because, well, it's saying that I would have 9,200, which I don't. I don't have that because I haven't been grown up, but I have 95 if I'm putting this. I'm putting tax savings in. That's actually pretty good. For the tax savings is nice because I'm going to save the money anyway. So I'm going to just save it into my account, tax savings. and I'm going to start out with $1,000, and that way my cash account will be right there. Yeah. That's probably the way to do it. Probably going to move that down. Actually, I'm going to go like this. Move this down. Let's say cut. No. Paste it down here like this. Take this tax savings. I'm going to cut it here. Paste it up here. And then I'm going to take this, cut, move it up here. All right, so now I still have that. So basically, 9519, 9519. This is K4, okay? Okay, and then this is K3 and K5, and K6 and K4. K3, 4, 5, 6. K3, K4, K5, K6. Okay, so that's it. K3, 4, 5, 6. So this one will be K3, K9, 3, 5, no, and K4, K3, 4, and 6. K3, K4, K6. All right, are you guys still with me? I mean, I'm doing this basically. I mean, I'm just doing this. So what I have now is my daily pocket option starting balance is 4,000. I have a cash offset of 3. I have this, and I have Bitcoin. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to move it up too. I'm going to move all this down one. I'm going to copy this. It's interesting, guys, because I want to go to bed. You know what I mean? That's not it. So I want to basically cut this, and I want to paste it here. Okay. I'm going to cut this. I'm just moving it around now. If you guys know how to use this program, then I'm going to cut this. I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to cut this. This should be changing my formulas too. Cut this and move it here. So, okay, so that's fine. So I have cash offset, tax savings, Bitcoin Forex. So I'm going to take out some money out of pocket option and move it over to my cash offset, you know. And what that is it's really my savings account. It's my trading bank account. Okay, and then my tax savings is 1,000. So I need to cut this and move it down here. Okay, actually cut this, move it down here. Hopefully it's not messing up any of my stuff, because this is, oh wow. I'm gonna cut this, move it down. This sheet, if you need it, let me know, because I put these in my trading thing. So I really get excited about this sheet stuff. I've been working on this for a long time. The reason why is I'm going to cut this, move it down, cut this, move it down. Now I'm going to put the total bank. Equals this plus this. So the total savings account should be that right there. Oh no, this is equals this plus this. So it's just basically showing me what I have in my bank account, what I have in my Bitcoin. This should be total Bitcoin Forex. All right, so I'm kind of spreading out the money right now. So these two should be totals, and I'm going to make them a different color so that we know what they are. Yeah, that's nice. I'm going to make these white. These don't really change. Total bank account, not band. If I had a band account, that would be awesome. If I had a band that made a bunch of money, that'd be awesome. So now we got trading bank account, tax savings. Together, the total bank account is 41. It's not changing anything, really, anything I'm doing here. Pocket option now, my daily starting pocket option, you know. So if I do like 4,200, then I'll have 184. Okay. So it basically calculates that. It tells me my stop loss is 35. Oh, wow. Okay. So tomorrow when I come back, because I've added a little tax savings today, tomorrow I'll be making $118. Okay. And I'll be looking, let's say if I make $250. So 4,250. I'll have a 2.46% growth based on K9 divided by K8. Yeah. Yeah, it's total asset growth. The only thing I don't want to do is talk about my total growth assets. Yeah. So what I don't want to do is when I inject cash into the system, I don't want it to raise my percentage of growth. I want to, total trading growth, full account growth. Yeah, this is trading. It's not really account because my account will grow a little bit because I'm going to put some money in it. See what I mean? I don't want that calculation to mess it up. I want to know I've won from 6,000 to 8,500. I've made that much money. Okay, but my full assets now are really 95.19. So that's the interesting part about this chart. It'll be a little bit different now. It'll read, it'll read different because if I want to know how much money I have, it's right here. But that number is going to grow over this number because I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to put some tax savings in, keep going. So it's going to be 9,519 at the end of this week. It'll be a little bit more, hopefully. I'm going to take out $2,000 out of pocket option. I'm risking 475. So 95.19. So safe pocket option balance will be 25% equals, full assets that I'm trading off of times 0.25. That's really what I want to do. I want 0.25%. Safe PO balance is basically 2,300. So that gives me 4 stop loss days. So I can actually take the daily, I can take money out because what I don't want to do, guys, is have 4 or 5, 6 grand in pocket option, mostly because of temptation of just going off the rails. So I do get tempted to go off the rails. And if I go off the rails, what'll happen is it'll stop me, 25% is about all I have in there, 20. So if I got really, really stupid one day and just went crazy, I could lose 25%. I'd have to reload my account to do any more. All right, so that's it. I'll keep working. Guys, if you want, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe, and here's the info about that. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to musiccitytrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app,
where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.